Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 19, Section 3. We want to present about the ergonomic assessment at manufacturing factory. So this is our group members. My name is Muhammad Irfan Ras bin Syamsunaha. Second is Muhammad Fazrin bin Abdul Rahman. Third is Muhammad Hakim bin Muhammad Yusof. Fourth is Muhammad Irfan Haras Muhammad Irfan Haziq bin Bahtiar. Lastly, Muhammad Rafiq Aikal bin Abdul Rahman. Okay, next. Okay, so we go to the introduction. The first point in the aim of ergonomic in manufacturing is to design workstation that encourage healthy work posture and maintain workers' comfort and safety. Second is effective ergonomic reduce the risk of injury, thus eliminating the cost associated with the time spent on these activities. By reducing ergonomic risk factor and creating user-friendly work process, manufacturers can reduce or prevent costly injuries, improve productivity, and maintain quality. Lastly is ergonomic improve quality by designing a job to allow for good posture, less exertion, fewer motions, and better height and reaches. The workstation become more efficient. Next. Okay, so the problem statement is ergonomic has had minimal influence on measure thus far. Most mention manager link ergonomics with workplace health and safety and law rather than performance. Next. So the objective is firstly to investigate the efficiency and effectiveness of the ergonomic at the workstation. Second is to show the effective time by improving the productivity process in manufacturing industry. Next. Okay. Lastly, scope. First is a workstation analysis. Found out the ergonomic problem are major issues faced by the manufacturing industry and that the workstation layout and work design were to be affecting workers' efficiency most. Second is ergonomic symptom survey. The symptom survey help to find out when workers are experiencing not only discomfort but also pain or develop disability that may be related to workplace activities. Third is a noise measurement. A sound level meter was used in finding the specific source of noise in a workplace. The fourth is a illumination measurement. The illuminance reading was evaluated using the guideline of Department of Energy, which is the DOE. And lastly is a postural analysis. Postural analysis tools used to evaluate work posture are rapid upper limb assessment, which is RULA, and rapid entire body assessment. That's all for me. I pass to my friend.
My name is Muhammad Irfan Haziq and I will explain about literature review for ergonomic assessment at manufacturing factory. First, we know that workplace is built to efficiently transfer products or support machinery, and the complexity of industrial systems in terms of interaction between humans and their working environment provides some challenging problems in the field. And the ergonomic assessment is a crucial factor in workplace safety due to the accumulating number of injuries caused by coming from repetitive motion, excessive force, and awkward postures. Risk is probability of an event and how severe the situation if it does happen. And the risk factors defined as conditions that escalate the likelihood of injury to happen. And next, ergonomic risk factors (ERF) is a workplace situation that may cause wear and tear on the body due to the awkward posture, force, repetition, static work, contact, stress, and vibration, which is a risk to musculoskeletal injury. Psychosocial and physical factors also must be considered. For example, emotional stress related to work, social relationship, lighting, noise, and administrative concerns. Cumulative trauma disorder, also known as CTD, refers to any several physical problems that are caused by improper or excessive use of computer display or terminal. Ergonomics is mainly defined as connection between humans, machine system, work environment, and job design. And its purpose is to increase performance, safety, and efficiency of a product or environment. That is all from me, and I will pass on to the next members.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hakim. So I'm going to explain about the methodology for our research. There are a few type of criteria on how to investigate the ergonomic assessment at manufacturing factory. First is the ergonomic symptom survey. Next is noise measurement. The third one is the postural analysis. The last one is workstation analysis. for the for the ergonomic symptom survey, the survey can be used as self-administered questionnaire or in interviews and come in structure, forced binary or multiple choice format. The questionnaire have two major purposes: to screen for muscular skeletal problem in an ergonomic environment and to provide occupational healthcare service. The last one is the survey are not intended to be used to make a clinical diagnosis. Next. Uh, next. Next slide. Uh, uh, Before the posture analysis, the noise measurement. Okay, for the noise measurement, the noise level is measured in decibel, which is dB. The louder the noise, the higher the decibels. Decibels can be adjusted to human hearing. Noise level is thus described in decibel A. The illuminance values for various workplace range from 50 to 588 lux. The noise range from 72.1 dB to 92.5 dB, while the WGT range from 24.6 C to 28.1 C. For the postural analysis, the posture of the upper limbs, primarily the arms and wrists, was examined using the RULA score sheet, which divided the range of motion for each body location into portions. These components are branded so that the range of motion or walking posture with the fewest risk indicator receive a score of the 1. Next. Lastly is the workstation analysis. Typing, mouse clicking, combined keyboard and mouse, motor skills, transcribing, speech and so on were among the tasks studied in work productivity study. Attention demand imposed by the dual responsibilities. When requested to complete two jobs at the same time, the performance of one or both of them is frequently affected. That's all from me.
Okay, and for the result and discussion, we have done some survey related to the pain that occur in a person body part when doing heavy lifting work. It is closely related to several factors such as gender, age, and working hours. In addition, the most important things for the public to know is the correct body posture when lifting weight and also the recommended weight limit that is appropriate for the job. So this is our result and our respondent. So the most lifting load in we use posture A. Posture A is the best and the right way posture when lifting the load. Posture B is second most people posture, and posture C is the risk to get a pain when lifting the load. And lifting load in 10 until 20 kilogram is the most weight that respondent doing. It an ideal weight for a people to lift a load. If more than that, it will give a risk to get a pain. 20 to 30 kilo is a second weight that most respondent lift a load. So 93% from the respondent was get a big pain when do lifting work. It because effect is come from a wrong posture when lift and load and lifting overload weight. So for the discussion, to this observation related to ergonomic assessment at manufacturing factor is if a person does not follow the correct body posture position while doing work, it will affect the health of the person. This effect will give problem in the short and long term. So a forward neck posture, shoulder, upper and lower back, and knees. So next.
Assalamualaikum. From the collected data from the survey, we assume in a bar graph. Long-term effect forward neck posture provide in the graph for the upper back, lower back, neck, shoulder, and knees. As can see, majority answer for the yes on the lower back because maintain when working with forward neck posture. Also, majority answer for the necks for the no is neck, so they can assign when feel comfortable. Next. Okay, for the conclusion, it is important to apply the ergonomic standard to keep a healthy life. Well, have spent a lot of time at work studying, while ergonomic is a relative new field of study. It is occurring relevance worldwide. More companies are applying economic policy. Probably someday will be mandatory. We need to think about how we working, about our posture and habits. It is always a good time to learn and improve. Ergonomic help people to be more comfortable at work, reducing stress and injury caused by incorrect positioning and repetitive tasks. As a good user, we need use ergonomic because it gives influence in our lives. That's all for me and our group. Thank you.